So with me, the main thing that God has always put on my heart is in being a rapper. It's not just getting up and speaking words on a microphone, but always having something that has a positive message behind it. And so anything I do is always based on what God may put on my heart or based on what God may be putting on my spirit. And one of the main things that God's put on my spirit is the love for my city. Like this event right now, you see you got so many little kids out here, and you look at them like, I was them once, but those little kids, they're going to be the next generation. Those kids, they're going to be doing what I'm doing in 10 years. Those kids, they're going to be doing what y'all doing in 10 years. Whether it's good or bad, somebody's going to be doing it. But I look at it from the aspect, well, if I had the possibility to change that to make everything for the future of every single child good, then that's what I'm going to do. So no matter how far God takes me in my career, as in music, acting, business, whatever it is, I'm still coming back for my city. I'm coming back for what's mine. I'm coming back for what God gave to me, and I'm doing my best to change it. So with that being said, if y'all will, please hit that track. Turn it up. Yeah. Yeah. Turn the track up a little bit. Yeah. Make some noise. Yeah. I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah. I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah. I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah, I'm coming back, cause y'all give me the reason to keep on. Now everybody stand back awaiting the reaction of what happens when you go for so long with no action. Haven't hit the movie set yet, I'm still taking action. Did you ever stop to think that reaching out to my passion? And while y'all laughing at my sadness, won't hurt just like the one who died for me. I take my lashes, do it all while you still help is what they ask. Cause I'm so partial to my mentality like a fraction. No need to re-ask it. As a soldier, I'm proof and I fight for the youth. Now that's a great truth. Professor love your hood and all about helping them through it to your hood. What good does a shout out do? And that's real. I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Say, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. If you love your city, get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Yeah. Coming back, cause y'all give me the reason to keep on. No competition, but they say power comes with position. My opposition to oppose and spit the truth and inches. In my city, only thing dirtier than hookers are the politicians. So you pay to listen, yeah, your funds are insufficient. With no extension on the bills, you wouldn't fail to mention. Promise I'ma fix it, yeah, I'ma fix it. Leaving my fixations on creating, cause we can't call ourselves a community without the unity. Even when you soon to be flying out the handle like the tassels off a bike. However, you still manage the homeless days. My face, baby, sis, gotta help them. And fam, if you never thank me, still you're welcome. Say, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. If you're gonna do your best to change your city, get your hands up. Get your hands up. You gotta really mean it from your heart. Yeah. Cause y'all give me the reason. Listen, if it's in the background, hear the clock ticking, you should call a block of flames and tell them to hands up. Cause I don't count down, so I do what I gotta do. And if I gotta do it till I fly, well, it's awesome news. Like a late book return, man, I always pay my dues with that Jackson Avenue, bumping that Jackson Avenue, acknowledging all the good that I pledge myself to, watching its impact on you and myself too. Everything that hurts me to see, I'ma try my best to change it. If it doesn't get changed, I didn't try it all. But all of this, they just try to avoid. Said Memphis 10 ain't got much in store. I'm the stop boy. Yeah, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Say, I'm coming back for my city. When I make it, coming back for my city. Yeah, I'm coming back for my city. Cause y'all give me the reason to keep on believing in change. Yeah, I'm Knox and that's my time, y'all.